Energy amplified, Famona cool, Ilanda clean, Cowdray Park in between.
Hi, welcome to Magriza Made Me Cook. I'm a principal, Mahlawunzuza Kanana Sumhechuma Singli. So today we're at Bulawayo's most populous township, Country Park. No for it to la punta do van more yo. Hey, that's it. What? The really make. I mean, we pay. Let's keep us.
Team enkulu.
Oh yeah, namhla Scotland Independence Day. And also congratulations on the successful roast yega.
Yeah, athi sote sikwanisa uroasta madoda. Athi sote sikwanisa uroasta.
Okay. So, mfowethu sizofunda lapho ngeimbali yeCountry Park. Uqalise nini ukuhlala la?
I know why. I wasn't born in Pret. I moved to Country Park, I think, about 98.
98. So, wawunjani like kufika eCountry Park?
I-area le kwakungena amagetsi. Amanzi ayetholakala ezindlini ezisemakhoneni. Uthi sasiquma amathurawuli wayengekho konke la. So kwanisa uquma nje komakhelwane vele ungacelanga nje. Njengokuthi iquma nje. Awuquma so. That was the culture yangikhona up until kwaqasa ufaka amathurawuli, extend izindlu, amagetsi ebuya.
City of Kings, we the crown, hear the people sing. From Louvre to Ascot, we rise. Royal city never compromise.
So lapho kuthiwa uSemafour.
It talks Semafour.
Why is it called Semafour?
Because originally kwakungama-4 rooms.
Oh, okay.
4 rooms.
Okay. Then we wakhuluma before guys uthi eTemnas eDRC was the first houses. You want guys akonizizwa.
eTemnas yikho okwakungama first houses. Kwakungama 2 rooms. Kwakuthiwa kusema 2.
Also 2 rooms.
Kusema 2.
Okay.
But athe sokuse TS.
TS kumele
Temnas.
Okay, TS Temnas. Then ngale kule Sigodweni from county Sigodwa.
Very good
school esikhulu.
Oh,
Impompi
one. Okay, khona mzini. And then at DRC, the other section, izinto ezazithengwa amasotsha ayevele eDRC.
Okay, because I know ewangi kule ndawo kuthiwa eDRC. Okay, then kule Temnas, kule eGarikai,
eGarikai, and then kule Denver. Denver nje ubusizothoka kuseDenver, vele kusemaplazini ngale, kusematipeleni north.
Okay.
Nxa uhamba ngakhona kumele ube lomphako
inkobe
etc. I know.
Inkobe le.
Inkobe zafika sesihlobile. Something.
So since the Country Park is Bulawayo's most popular township, that's kind of an interesting fact. What does the Country Park mean?
Country Park and lapha is snake park vele. Amakheko ngikubona even ucela macha inyoka. Because ucela inyoka ugcina inyoka. So basically yikho original. Bese sithi okunye nje just interesting facts nje ukuthi we've got ama-footballers amaningi prominent aphuma khona apha eCountry Park, not just currently but yesterday even January
Ricky Chana Timothy Chana
Mvuti, yes, also comes from this area actually khona apha eForville.
Okay.
Omahachi Gilbert Panda,
former captain.
Multiple people, musicians, Cooksman wahlala lapha.
Okay.
We've got uLadi, Nomsa the comedian. We've got Uskoka Imbonyi. We've got I can say Tombalo ogqoka over so hlabela umfana futhi Bila. We've got Mkarati.
As a comedian, iCountry gets a lot of stigma, like abantu bathanda ukuyenza ama jokes ngeCountry Park. Uzizwa njani nxa? Well, because what you're saying is what you're experiencing now is actually a beautiful township.
I think ukuthi abantu into abangayaziyo vele they will always have jokes about it, and it also puts us in the map, because that is why you see ukuthi everyone, even in politics, even la ngapha wonke umuntu interested ngeCountry Park. So uthi ukuthi khona yona liyani talk yabantu lan it fits into the content yabantu bakithi. It also fits into putting us ku map. Labantu abangama decision makers abaphezulu kuma parliament bazibuza ukuthi kanti iCountry Park leyo kunjani. Sebefuna ukuzoba ama stakeholders njani khona. And also a fun fact, thina sile ATM iCountry Park.
ATM da.
Isetemnas.
Oh, the only location ngobula ile ATM.
Angisho ukuthi yasebenza particle.
Okay, boy. Then for how has it been growing uMahlekisa? Hey, kubula kuqala nintala. Dala, Clive. How is the brand?
Yeah, I think the brand has been growing partly also contributed by ukuthi i-community ekwenza ngona ubukhulu be-Culturepark is a positive influence on especially ama-artists labantu nje abaku-entertainment labaku-business from Culturepark because abantu be-Culturepark they are supportive of abantu bakibo like kade singasenza ama-shows ufind out ukuthi 70% of abantu ababe kuma-shows ngabantu abavela e-Culturepark and then abanye babevela Kobulawa.
Oh, there's Culturepark, then there's Kobulawa. Hayi kuhle mfowethu kuhle. Then ukudla kwesintu ibudla kwesintu okuthandayo?
Ulude ngiyalithanda kakhulu sibili ukuthi okunye konke ngakubeka eceleni lamathumbu.
Oh, amathumbu.
Hayikhona amalusu.
Oh, amathumbu.
Amathumbu.
Ezangaphakathi.
Sokuhlangana hayi ama-inza hayi sokuhlangana hayi. Amathumbu ulude lomngqutsho hayikhona ledobi hayi idobi vele
so even umkhwapho ledobi
hayi idobi
idobi lesinkwa lelambazi
hayi vele lambaza ngithindi maybe nxa sengigula nto empilo nesitshwala
samabele no thank you so much so siyaqalisa ngapi namhla where are you going to take us first?
Okay lapha besefoville okule snooker khona utholakala khona ama youth because ifoville pool club so something abantu abatsha bathole into yokwenza kulama competitions lan club sibili eranayo lama tournaments lan ukwenza ukuthi it's a culture yesinooker esazakalayo koBulawayo lathi sathi kube lesinooker lapha abantu bebekwazi ukuthi banjani thola isikhathi bekele uthona berompa so kade sesizasuka sekhona mbona ngathi sizaphonga udlula nje sibona nje ezinye indawo but sizakuya eSignpost lapho kugcwele khona activity
so asiqalise ngegame esinuka ngiyukarabi lapha
ngiyakulimaza lapha
Konape Smeko to Signpost and it's arguably the economic pulse of Culturepark. There is nothing wrong ayiswela lapha njengoba ubona you should take footage kule msika yonke la. So this is one of the famous spots at Culturepark Signpost. Yeah.
Kule Temnas. Temnas wonke umuntu uyamthola eTemnas. Inhlobo yonke. Yani abantu bonke bahlangana eTemnas. Because it's a central point eCulturepark whether uvelela ema4 whether uvelela eDenver whether uvelela eMpompini yikho uhlangana khona abantu yikho okulama bhawa okulezitolo
obviously you know amabhawa
hayi vele okulama caravan okudla lani okule ayinto yonke ayithola kho ole portal elikhulu kakhulu.
The first clinic at Culturepark, the city council is found there.
Lapha la kule clinic enye khona pe Signpost. So vele indawo zomtholampilo eCulturepark zi prominent. Ngoba ukuphila siyakuthanda eCulturepark.
Feel the crown, hear the people sing from Louvain to Ascot we rise. Royal city never compromise. Bulawayo, city of kings, feel the love drum when it swings.
Iskolo there is where I learned actually Culturepark. It's now a high school. Ngisafunda mina kwakuyi secondary. We're one of the first students ukufunda khona the two form 4 in 2008. Angazi ngaqeda njalo 2008. But yeah, there is Culturepark secondary, now high school. There is Tatekulu there. There is Mahlatini there. I also learned at Mahlatini Primary School yeah. There is Mkitiga also ngemuva kweMahlatini.
Primary.
So kulezinja le
Victory Vimshophe
something yeah.
Le Prestige le college Prestige laphana lama church amaningi kule Roma iyo ichurch yokuqala wale.
Yeah, this school I think we've also colonized Luveve High. You know we are now adopting it as our own. The address yangikhona ibiza Country Park actually. Awudla ungakhona anyway uyathola ukudla Country Park. Lapha kulama chips lapha. Lapha you can bring your own meat. Awudla everywhere.
Actually even la khona lesifela khona kulokudla. Actually abantu beCountry Park uyathola abantu bephume phandle bafika bazenzela into yabo. Akula umuntu omelelana. Eterminals manje ayaphunywa ukudla.
Especially kwesini. Akulo ngakuswela manqina, inhloko, zangaphakathi. Everything is there. That's your one.
Rice, nxa ufuna iphokhu ikhona, nxa ufuna twine lokho kwesikhiwo, macaroni watwa konke akuthola.
Couch is the easiest place in Zimbabwe. Ukuthiwa iyafike. I think ilokishi koBulawayo ukuthiwa ungagada it any hour transport will be available. Yakwanza ugadela 6th Avenue.
6th Avenue bobabili.
The official and unofficial terminus Godini yathola imchova TM Hyper yathola InDrive
ama Honda Fit
sesifuna ukufaka iUber. We are still in the process.
Lestimela futhi. And then nxa le mali sawulanda helicopter.
Akula my hate. Lapha sifaka amajura wo.
I-toilet iphakathi endlini. Awuphumi uzubanje ngamasela.
Even with 2 rooms uphuma ungene toilet phakathi endlini. Akula ngotha.
Akula futhi ukubambana lo makhelwa. Abantu bathi sibize Country Park. Zinja akula semi detached Country Park. And indlu umuntu lo muntu ole yakhe even ukuhlukaniswe 30 cm kodwa.
Of course isawudo liyaqhubelana yes asiyali but
akula secret futhi because into enzakala lapha umuntu unganyenyeza la usuku makhelwa nongale uyakuzwa so very indaba zabantu akula ukuthi kuthiwa kule secret lapha eCountry Park.
Yeah, but the main difference ukuthi Country Park is a generally young population. So innovation kahle kahle koBulawayo ibuzwa lithi. That's what I can say in the market difference between us and these other old townships.
Because so zithola ugogo ogugile lapho ugogo balapha ama 1k.
Bamba ngama Honda Fit abo.
Bangafika elobhemula kuyathi akathi my sister lo. Lapha sizo.
Hillside breeze, burnside glow. Montrose vibing nice and slow. From Emakhandeni to get that flow. Bulawayo run the show.
Maybe because indawo yonke ilezinto zayo ezinjanjani into engayithiyela mhlawumbe abahlali bendawo zethu zeCountry Park lezi ukuthi phansi ngodlame bafowethu ngoba siyananzelela ukuthi ama statistics amaningi athi hayi ngapha imfumba ungathi siyayithova kakhulu so masingehlisa khona phana ngithi bona ngathi singenza ngcono mhlawumbe lo hulumende manje ngasincedisa ukuthi sehlise kwezezidakamizwa kwama trucks kukhwezole njengo iprice impilo zethu zingaba ngcono kunalokho owekhokho.
You cannot be a Zimbabwean and not be at any point being at Country Park. Mele ufike lawe you'll be surprised. Angwazi lawe what you'll encounter because it's different experience for everyone. So I will encourage every Zimbabwean to just come and visit Country Park. Njengoba libona even lo Minister of Finance ophethe inotho yelizwe wayefuna ukuthi ebe ngumphathi wethu ebe ngu-MP. So it goes to show you something. It's a unique place.
Hey, namhla sikholisile eCountry Park. Actually a week of shooting lapha eCountry Park. And lapho where I'm standing is a caravan. This is also a busy place. But anyway, thank you for watching and just a big appreciation to Untando Lonhlalo on the history and also usitshengisa the famous spots like Country Park. There's a lot to cover. So in the comment section, can you write if you're from Country Park what you love about this township? But anyway, Principal Mahlangu, Zuzaganana Sumkhechi Masingilini. I'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe and please share this video, like this video so that the algorithm can show this to other people across this platform. Catch you on the next one. Remember, keep the love, keep the Ubuntu. Togozi.
City of Kings, we reign. Riverside flowing, Queensdale vibe, Parklands moving side to side, Bellevue lights, Belmont pride, Baba fueled energy amplified, Famona Cooley, Landa clean, Cowdray Park in between, Bulawayo forever king.